So this guy Corsa on the Blender forum was having some trouble trying to reveal a logo. He had this logo that he wanted to reveal from the left side to the right or something, and he was trying to use Boolean. However, it was messing up a bit for him, because Boolean can be somewhat annoying depending on your topology of the object, and if you're having logos like text and so on, it can make some odd stuff. It sounds plausible, but still it can be quite messy. But depending on the viewing angle, you can also try a different approach, and I will try to show you now a quick little example on how you can do it using normal shaders. So I'll take here the famous cube, and let's make a little here, and rotate it up. Let's just put it in like this, and we can go and add a bit of depth to the object like this, and perhaps a tad of bevel here like this, and that's just fine. So I'll split up here by right clicking and select my shader. Turn that off, and we now have the view. And we can let's just take our lamp and put it to the front like this, so we can see what's going on. There you go. And then I'll add here material, let's call it logo, and just for the purpose we'll call this somewhat green, like this. Okay, then what we can do is we can add color ramp like this, and we can then go over here, set it to constant, drag it out 2.5, and then we can use this gradient to control this. But first of all, I want to show you here, if I add it like this, it's like you can see it's not really on the model. It's on there, but you can't control it like you want. But if you have Node Wrangler enabled, it is possible under the add-ons, add Node Wrangler. You can click the color ramp and press Ctrl T like this, and then you add some coordinates here. I'll change this to generated, and I'll take the image here, which is not there, and remove it. And then I'll add a separator instead. Like this one. I'll then drag this into there, and I'll take the x-axis and drag into there. And now you see stuff is starting to happen. And now I can actually go over here, drag the x-axis of the location, and you can see I'm now moving the gradient over the object. And this gradient with the black and the white I can use as the transition between two different materials. So now, just for this purpose, you could see it, I'll add a transparent like this, and I will add a shader mixer like this, and then I will bump this into that, and then I'll take my gradient and put in here, and then take this, and ta-da! As you see now, if I animate the location, I am revealing the logo. And that's quite simple, right? Quite doable. So now I can do here, move it over here, like this, In frame 1, I set a keyframe by pressing the I, then say frame 100. I drag it over there, press I again, and now I have created an animated reveal of the logo. So I hope you find this useful. That's of course a little simple way of explaining how you can use this, and I hope it is useful for you. Hang in there, and I would love to see your result.